Hello everyone, we're unboxing our latest Seeds of Wellness Self-Help Toolkit, comprehensive package designed by the residents and students for the community. The first item is the Mental Wellbeing Journal. Flipping through, I can see prompts for daily reflections, mood tracking, and gratitude exercises. Hope that you can set aside time every day to pen down your thoughts and reflections for self-awareness and emotional growth. There is also a page for coloring and mini games to wind down after a long day. Next, we have this yellow stress cube. You can squash, roll, and fidget with it. This seems perfect for those moments when you need to release some tension or redirect anxious energy. You can also roll it like a dice to determine an action to take. If you roll the Southeast CDC logo, I recommend you to go for a walk or run to clear your mind. Wow, there are stickers too. These cards and stickers were specially designed by students studying in the Southeast District. Each card has a positive and uplifting message. You can start your day on a positive note or for a quick mood booster for yourself and your friends. Lastly, we have these mini guides from IMH Chat. They cover various topics like stress management and supporting a friend in need. These are handy resources for quick reference on the go. Overall, this mental well-being toolkit offers a holistic approach to mental well-being. From journaling to stress relief, positive affirmations to expert advice, it also provides a range of tools to support your emotional well-being. I hope this self-help toolkit helps you to better understand and manage your mental well-being. While these tools are incredibly helpful, they are not a substitute for professional help. Always reach out to the mental health professional if you need support.